We're the only people on this level with this beautiful light, all these statues, sculptures. It's pretty great.
We rented a motorbike in Jogja for a week-long tour of the surrounding areas. We loaded up our bike with our bags, a great reason to pack, super light for traveling around this. The drive was about an hour to our hotel, and we took the back roads since the highway driving had a lot of trucks.
We're no longer in Jogja.
Borobudur Temple is not in the Yogyakarta region. It's in Megalang. However, it's so close to the border that most travelers think of it as part of Jogja tourism. Staying for 2 nights allows for leisure. The first day, go see the sunset at Bukit Rima, the chicken temple. From the top of the crown, there's an incredible view of Borobudur and the surrounding mountains.
It's about 4:40 in the morning. We walked the very short distance to Borobudur, and now we've got an hour to wait until sunrise. We can see the silhouette, so it's not fully dark, but it's gonna be a while.
Borobudur is the largest Buddhist temple in the world. It was built in the 9th century and then abandoned in the 14th. For centuries, the temple lay under layers of volcanic ash and jungle growth. In 1835, the complex was unearthed, and a series of restoration projects give us the restored temple today. Even though there was a lot of people, it still felt pretty empty. Everyone was so quiet and respectful of the sacred space.
It's 6 something in the morning, 6:15, and sunrise crowd of about 150 people has dispersed all over the monument, all over the temple. So we're kind of all by ourselves. The front gate's open, but it's a Wednesday, or I don't know, it's just not a very popular day. There's like no one here. Look at this. We're the only people on this level. Going on 7 a.m., 6:30 a.m. and it's still just, there's no one here. We just finished having breakfast, which is part of the tour when you go to
Borobudur sunrise at the Manohara Resort.
Manohara Hotel is the only place with early access to the temple. So you have to come the morning of. You can't get a ticket beforehand. Come here at 4 in the morning is when they open. Buy your ticket. The gates open at 4:30, and then you're the only people in there for about an hour and a half.
Yeah, hour and a half, almost 2 hours. I think it's worth it to do the extra price for the resort.
Yeah, it's more expensive, but we're talking about like maybe $10 more. And you get a cool scarf, which I'm rocking now, and a ridiculous breakfast.
Yeah.
And the early access. I hate that you pay, like money gets you early access. I didn't like that feeling at first. But like, I don't know, I get it. It
was so peaceful. The early access was just way less people. Everyone was really quiet and respectful, and you don't have to deal with all the hawkers in the front entrance because you get to go in and out of the back entrance.
The Manohara Hotel, hard recommend. It's like 8 in the morning and we got tons of time up there. We got some food. Now we're just gonna hang out, head back to our hotel.
Nap time! We are in the pool at our hotel. It's called the Gopalan Borobudur. And you can see the temple right behind us at Borobudur.
It's right there. That's the big one.
It's totally worth staying here for 2 nights if you plan to do the sunrise, because we were up super early this morning. We saw the chicken temple yesterday. We have all afternoon to relax in this pool. Pretty awesome.